So friends, in our series of Rajasthan, today we will do its physical divisions part 1. The word Rajasthan, as you can see, is mean the land of Rajasthani. The land of Rajasthani, Rajas, who Raj means the land of kings is the meaning of the word Rajasthan. As India, Rajasthan is also keeps a lot of diversity, both the diversity human and physical. In our first module, we already done the human diversity of Rajasthan. In this second part, let's do the physical division of Rajasthan, the physical diversity of Rajasthan. Somewhere the map of Rajasthan is like this. In physical divisions, the first physical division of Rajasthan is the western arid and the dry region. This is the western arid region of Rajasthan. This is the largest regions among all the rest of the regions of Rajasthan, which covers approximately 40%, not 40%, arid and semi-arid. They both covered 50% part of the Rajasthan. Here we see three parallel belts from east to west like this. These parallel belts are desert, or we can say the Marusthali region. This part is the desert of the Marusthali region, where we can see totally desert Marusthali type region. A part where we see sand dunes, or we can see the Barcham. Then comes the Bangad region just east of the desert region. A Bangad region is a wide plain of soil. It's a very large area made up of soil, not of sands. Then comes the Rahi region, which is the easternmost part of the western arid region. This Rahi region is a floodplain which is made up of small rivers. In the western desert, the the average height is 300 meters above the sea level. East it is touched with, in not east, again I am writing it that in west it touched with Pakistan, while in east the 25 centimeter lines, here the 25 centimeter rainfall make its boundary on the western part receive less than 25 centimeter rainfall, while its eastern part receive more than 25 centimeter rain yearly. The districts comes in these regions are basically three main districts, and they are the Bikaner, Badmer, Jaisalmer, Churu, Western Nagaur, etc. These three are the main regions. Jaisalmer, the largest district of Rajasthan, not only Rajasthan, of India also. Here we see dunes, the sand dunes, which are locally known as Dhore in these regions. One more thing is that now this we see some development in this region just because of the largest man-made canal of the world, and that is the Indira Gandhi. Let us come to the second part, which is the semi-arid region of Rajasthan. Let me show you these regions through. It extends in between arid region and the Aravalli region. As you can see, this green part is the arid region in its which creates its western boundary, and on other hand, here are the Aravalli regions which creates its eastern boundary. The average height is 450 meter above the sea level of this semi-arid region of Rajasthan. The main areas comes in it, the Pali district, Jalore, Sikar, Churu, Jhunjhunu and Hanumangarh districts comes in it. In this region, we see the drainage system, which is an inland drainage system. Means here the rivers are flowing in the inland part. Not they starts in these regions and then meet to basically either a lake like Sambar, etc., or they themselves dissolve in the desert part. Here also we see the world famous Sambar Lake and the Didwana Lake. Sambar Lake is just near east west part of, in the west of the Jaipur. Its subregions. Here we see some its subregions also. The area which is a catchment area of the river Luni, known as Luni Basin. The Shekhawati region in its northern part. This is a Shekhawati region, means Jodhpur region. In between the Jodhpur and the Ajmer. Nagori Highland, mainly the Nagaur district of Rajasthan. Ghaggar plain, basically comes the Hanumangarh districts and the Srinagar districts in it. So this is how in the first part we complete only half part of Rajasthan, in which we do two main parts, that is the arid region and the semi-arid regions. And in the second part we will do continue it with Aravalli region of Rajasthan, then the northeastern part of Rajasthan and the southeastern part of Rajasthan. Before that, this major part which we do today, that is the desert part. Let's see the formation of desert Rajasthan, or we can say the formation of the Thar. Millions of years ago it was Pangaea, a single land there. Then that Pangaea divided into many parts, especially 7 major plates. Among this is the Indian plate, which was here, goes towards the Asia and then touched with Asia. Here was the Tethys Sea. So now here let me clear it. This is Asia and this is what India. The shape of India was like, so here we can see the pressure was in this direction. the north direction. And when India goes upward side, here the Tethys Sea was there, because the pressure was here, so that is why this part uplifted, and here we see the Himalayas, while here the pressure was parallel, not like this. And that is why when India goes toward this direction, in this region the Tethys Sea, the water of Tethys Sea goes towards this direction and become the Arabian Sea, and this area become dry, or we can say it is the fossil of Tethys Sea. So the Thar Desert is actually a fossil of the Tethys Sea. There was a Tethys Sea here, but the sea was dry, and now here we can see the fossil, that is the desert of the Tethys Sea. So this is the formation of the Thar Desert of Rajasthan. And that's all in this first part of the physical feature of Rajasthan. Any kind of doubt, problems, etc., you please send me your comments. I will definitely reply you, or you can visit to my blog, that is bipindogra.blogspot.in. Thank you.